As an authorized GateHawk dealer, you are required to agree to terms outlined in various documents before you utilize any of GateHawk's software platforms. Viewing these agreements is simple and can be done directly from your dealer profile. This video will show you exactly where to locate your dealer agreements at any given time. The first thing you'll need to do to find your legal agreements is to locate your personal profile. This can be done by clicking on the person icon up here in the navigation bar. This will open a drop-down menu of various options. The most common policies or agreements are listed below in the drop-down menu. Once you know which document you're searching for, locate it in the menu. This will take you to the most recent version of that agreement. The first agreement we have is the dealer agreement, which lists contractual terms between GateHawk as a manufacturer and your organization as a GateHawk authorized dealer. The second document is our end user license agreement, which is terms of use between GateHawk and all of its software users. And the last is our privacy policy, which includes information on privacy and data sharing terms between GateHawk and all of its users. As previously mentioned, to view any of these agreements, simply find the one you're looking for, click the link, and you'll be redirected to the most current version of the legal agreement. In order to navigate back to your portal, make sure to go up to your tab in your browser and switch back over.